News that's coming in right now. This is from West Bengal after the CBI team seized arms and ammunition in raids in Sandesh Khali. Now an NSG team has reached the spot. The NSG team is at the spot where weapons were recovered by the CBI. Ambulance bomb disposal squad is also present in Sandesh Khali. The CBI team, remember, is probing the ED officials' attack case. And earlier today, it had recovered foreign-made pistol and ammunition during raids in West Bengal. Let me go across to my colleague Pooja for more on this. Pooja, big developments there happening in Sandesh Khali. Earlier today, there were arms and ammunition that was recovered, and particularly foreign-made ammunition that was recovered. And now an NSG team, bomb disposal squad and ambulance present there. Get us what's happening there on ground in Sandesh Khali.
Well, absolutely a major development in this Sandesh Khali case. We've seen how several teams of the CBI reached the Sarberia area of Sandesh Khali and they came across a building here. What you see behind me is a concrete structure, and after digging the ground, they came across a huge cache of arms and ammunition that was stored inside the house. Thereafter, this message was communicated to the NSG, and what you see behind me is the NSG team that have arrived here at the spot. NSG commandos have arrived here, and the primary job at hand will be to defuse the bombs or the explosives that were stored here. Thereafter, what we're given to understand is that CBI had sought help from the NSG as far as the huge quantity of explosives that were recovered here in this house this morning. And you can see there are bomb squads, dog squad, and all the other equipment that have been brought in by the NSG commandos. So they will be going inside the house and they will be ensuring that all those explosives and bombs that have been stored here and recovered by the CBI are safely diffused. Also, I would like to add that people living in the vicinity, the locals here, have been evacuated for their safety. The NSG commandos have asked them to move to a safer location till all the explosives that were stored here are completely diffused, and thereafter all the locals will be brought back to the house. But at this point in time, the locals have been asked to evacuate their houses and move to safer locations.
Okay, Pooja, also any word from the authorities as to whose house is it? Who had stored these weapons? Are these weapons of the accused or somebody else? Any word on that?
Well, the CBI is still in process of completing the operation. Once the operation is over, with the help of the NSG, there will be some official communication from the CBI. But what we're getting to understand at this point in time, that this particular house where the explosives, bombs, arms, ammunition, and some foreign-made pistols have been found belongs to a Trinamool Congress Panchayat member's relative. But his political affiliation is yet to be ascertained. And also, his links will also be closely monitored as to did he have any links with Shahjahan Sheikh and why this huge quantity of arm and ammunition were being stored here. Was it in view of the elections, or was it, did it have any terror links? So all these terror links will also be investigated at this point in time.